Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CFISD. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And you have to go in the top section right over here, that is your URL section, and type down CFISD login and enter it after you're done. And click on this option that says Student and Staff Portal. Make sure that you click the correct option, what I'm doing. And after that, an interface like this will open. But if you are in parents, you can use the button to log in to the parental portal. You just need to click here. So as I'm going to type down my username as well as my password and click on the sign in button, and then you'll be successfully logged into your CFISD account. But if you also have a two option that says you can sign in with your Google as well as with Quick Card. And if you have forgotten your password, you also have an option in order to reset or recover your password just by clicking this option. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.